What is the heaviest organ in the human body? Liver. Which blood type is known as the universal recipient? AB, positive. How many bones are in a newborn baby's body? (270). Which organ filters old red blood cells? Spleen. What is the hardest substance in the human body? Tooth enamel. Which part of the brain controls vision? Occipital lobe. What is the smallest muscle in the human body? Stapedius. Which gland is called the master gland? Pituitary gland. Which type of joint is found in the elbow? Hinge. How many chambers are in a cow's stomach compared to humans? 4 versus 1. What is the average weight of the human brain? (1.4 kilograms). Which part of the ear maintains balance? Semicircular canals. What pigment gives skin its color? Melanin. Which blood vessels are the smallest in the body? Capillaries. How long is the average small intestine in adults? (6 meters). Which organ produces red blood cells in early life? Bone marrow. Which body system includes hormones? Endocrine. What is the main function of the cerebrum? Thinking and memory. Which organ helps maintain fluid balance and fights infections? Lymph nodes. How many taste buds does an average human tongue have? 10,000. What is the scientific name for the thigh bone? Femur. Which muscle controls eyelid movement? Orbicularis oculi. What is the only bone not connected to another bone? Hyoid. Which part of the body has the most sweat glands? Feet. What part of the brain regulates hunger and thirst? Hypothalamus. Which vitamin is essential for blood clotting? Vitamin K. What is the main role of the pancreas in digestion? Produce enzymes. Which type of blood cell is the most numerous? Red blood cells. What is the average adult heart rate at rest? (60 to 100 beats per minute). Which body system provides structural support? Skeletal. Which muscle separates the chest from the abdomen? Diaphragm. What type of joint is found in the neck for head rotation? Pivot. Which part of the brain is responsible for speech? Broca's area. What is the transparent front part of the eye called? Cornea. Which organ regulates blood sugar levels? Pancreas.